Good morning, ma'am. Here is Divyang Yadav presenting the innovative assignment of machine learning, namely classification of Amazon review dataset. For this assignment, my group member is Geetam Shah and this assignment is guided by Professor Rupal Kapdi. Now I am starting the present you to the implementation phase of this assignment. For this assignment, I am using the dataset of Amazon review which are shown on the screen. In this assignment, I am using a small subset of datasets for the experimental purpose. In this assignment, different kind of product category are available. I am using the few of them for our assignment, namely Amazon Fashions, appliances, cell phones and accessories, gift cards, industrial and scientific, and software. Now I am telling you, these all the datasets are available in .json format. The JSON formats is look like this, which having a column, image, overall, vote, verified, review time, reviewer ID, reviewer name, reviewer text, summary, etc. For but our project need the .csv file for processing the data. For this, we are process our data using preprocess.py. In this file, through this file, we are getting two columns from this JSON format, from this JSON file, namely overall and review text. Another column we did not need this, so we left them. And after processing this part, we getting our CSV file named final.data.csv. I am done classification in two phases. First is in the individual phase and second is in group phase. In the individual phase, I am done all the individual data sets classify into the three categories: positive, negative, and neutral. Now I am telling you how I can do these things using the data set. This line is used to convert the .json file into the .csv file. As per we seen, Amazon.csv file is ready in our drive. Now I am read this Amazon underscore fashion.csv file and check how many columns are there. So we are seeing there is a three columns, but we are taking only two columns from the JSON file. This one unnamed column is predefined column in at the time of converting the CSV file. Data.save is given the total amount of data are present in the .csv file. As per we did not need unnamed column data, so we drop it using the data.drop column is equal to unnamed column. Now we are only have the overall and review text in our CSV file. So in our object, so I place my object into the object data into the CSV file name Amazon underscore fashion underscore one.csv. As you seen, my Amazon underscore fashion underscore one.csv are redirect into the my drive. Now I am telling you how I classify the reviews in positive, negative, and neutral. In in our CSV file, we have two columns, overall and review text. In overall columns, we have the ratings of the products. Ratings means how products are rating. 3-star rating is given to this product, 4-star, 5-star. This kind of ratings are given to the product is stored in the overall column. Using overall column, if there is a data which have there is a product which have greater than or equal to 4 ratings, then it is going to the positive one, and the positive ones have the amount in the CSV file is 2629. If the data is less than 3, means the negative reviews are there, then it have the data in CSV file is 210. And if the ratings are is equal to 3, then it shows the ratings are neutral, so the amount of neutral data in the CSV file is 337. Now I am storing this equation into the positive, negative and neutral variable for the plotting the draft. Now there is a draft which shows the how much amount of positive data is there in the Amazon Fashion.csv, how much amount the negative data is there, and how much amount the neutral data is there. As you see, 82.8% data are positive, 6.6% are negative, and 10.6% are neutral data is in Amazon.csv file. As per this zone, all other category of products are classified into different classified, and cell phones and accessory have 79% of positive data. It have 12.3% of negative data, 8.7% of neutral data, and appliances have 80.5% of positive data, 1.0% of negative data, and 18.5% of neutral data. Gift card have 97.8% of positive data, 1.1% of negative data, and 1.1% of neutral data. Industrial and scientific have 88.5% positive data, 5.7% of negative data, and 5.8% of neutral data. And software products have 70.2% of positive reviews, 17.3% of negative reviews, and 12.5% of neutral reviews. Now we are done the second phase of the classification. Now we combining all the data sets into one, and then classify it into the one data. Now python.preprocess.py use as a .csv file, and then we read the final data.csv. It has same unnamed column by default, then and there is a total 12,26,738 combination of all other category of data are present in final data.csv. Now we drop the unnamed column, then we store it into the new final data2.csv. Then as we done in above, we are classifying using the ratings. If it is greater than or equal to 4, then it is positive. There is a positive amount of data is much rather than neutral or negative. there is a 9,76,037 data are positive. Data of reviews are positive. 1,45,616 data reviews are negative, and 1,05,085 data reviews are neutral. Now we are replace the ratings into the positive negative type. If the CSV file have 5, it means it have a positive data. So we so we convert. Now here we seen overall have 5 5 5. Now we converted in overall into the positive. If it is a 5, then it shows as a positive positive positive. If it is have 4, then it give a positive. If it have a 2, then it give us a negative. And if it have a overall value 3, then it shows in CSV file like neutral. And we are to save this data and to use this .csv. Now we are extracting some of data from 33% of data from each uh, positive phase, positive phase, 33% of data from negative review, and 33% of data into the neutral phase, which we are shown above. In this ratio of 33%, we are compress our data from 12 lakh to compress our data from 12 lakh to 3 lakh 96,380. So we have compression of each 33% of category of data in our essay underscore data.csv file. This is used for the training of the model, how the model can choose the review is positive, negative, of or neutral. If we have a 12 lakh data, then there is the need of large amount of storage. But here we didn't have that much amount of storage, then that's why I'm compressing the data and get it the 33% amount of each. Now our data of review text is in a camel case. So now we are converting it into the like uh, same case, like it is in a upper case or it is in a lower case. If we want to do it into the lower case, then we define it into the lower. If we want it into the upper case, then strip dot upper, then it gives us all data in the upper case. As you seen on the screen, our data now is converted into the lower case of to fit into the data frames. Now this compression of data after the pre-processing, the original review text is shown like this, then the pre-processed data are shown like this, and now we are store the data into the data.csv for training the model. As per we seen, there is a need of data.csv file to run this model file. For this model training, we are using a sentimental analysis. In the sentimental analysis, first step is the tokenization step. The first step is the tokenization step. The second one is the tokenization means it separate the all of the line data into the one row data, and cleaning the special character means question mark, comma. This will clean by the special supervised algorithm, removing the stop words. Then classification. This classification is done by the supervised algorithm named counter vectorization with the help of grid search. In this model transition, we are using the data.csv file to train the model. From on this data.csv file, we are give them a data column, an overall column, to train the model for the next review with whatever is, customer can enter for the product. This this model training is done through this code. This model is taking amount, taking minimum 16 to 15 minutes time to train. Now the train model is save on drive name count underscore tf underscore gs dot joblib. The accuracy of this training model is given here. The 76% of accuracy is this possible give after the model generation. With the compression of data, we have after the our compression of data is 40% of positive value, 23% of neutral value, and 37% of negative value is shown here. Now we want to if if we want to load a model for the testing purpose, we want to load the model, so we use joblib to load the model. Load count underscore tf underscore gs dot joblib. From model object, it shows us model, how model can be categorized or generalized using grid search dot cv. After loading the model, it's time to test the model. In this, we are first of all want to give how many reviews we are enter, because if we are entering the 2 reviews, then it gives us 2 space of entering the review. First good and second bad. If after entering, after press enter, it gives me a result of the classification, if the first review is positive or negative or neutral, or the second review is the positive, negative review, or negative or neutral. Because I am not run this project from the starting, this gives me an error because I am not run all the project from starting now. For getting the answer, I want to run all the project from the starting. uh, at the last of this video I am attached the screenshot of the answer. Thank you. Seen our output is not given in the last few minutes because of my model is not trained yet. Now I am trying. Now I am uh, starting the procedure to train my model. I'm skip this a few minutes because it's taken a too long time to train. It's about a 15 to 16 minute train the model. So I'm skip this video till 15 to 16 minutes. Once this model is trained, I will be back. Now, as you seen, now my model is trained. Now I check how much time it take to train it. It's taking 15.80 minutes to train the model. It's taken time to train model 15.18 minutes. Now I am save this train model to my drive using the dump function of joblib object of joblib library. It will take a little amount of time to store it into the drive. Now as you seen, my model is saved to my drive name count underscore tf underscore gs dot joblib. Now I am checking my model accuracy using running this command of grid searching. As you see, my model accuracy will be increased to 0.77 means 77%. Now I am storing this. Now I am storing. Now I am place the graph of my compressed data with how much have a positive review, how much amount of negative review it contain, or how much amount of neutral review it contain. For this, I am storing the precision of the data into the this variable negative, neutral, and positive. After saying it, I am starting to plot the graph. As you see, our graph is plotted and it displayed on screen. Now it's time to load the model to check our model is working proper or not. As per we save our model to drive, now we load from drive using count using joblib library load function. Now our model is loaded into the Colab. Now we are checking how our model is look like. Our model is look like in the grid search. After applying grid search is look like, and what is done using the count factorization is described here and how it works. Now we run our model for checking the new entered customer review. Now I am entered total 2 reviews for the testing purpose. First, this product is good. This product is bad. The first one, the first review is positive and the second review is negative. Now I again run my model to test one another classification for the review 1. This product is good as well as bad. As you seen, this shows a neutral value for our review because a it have a word good at one time and bad as one. If I am using a good at 2 times and bad at 1 time, then it gives us a positive review because it's checked how much times of positive wordings are used. It will check the how much time of positive wordings or how much amount of positive wordings are used in your review, and it classify on the basis of this. So that's all. Thank you, man.